Hello there! Are you feeling overwhelmed with the explosion of generative AI options out there? So with so many services, tools, and features, you kinda don't know where to start. Well, today I'm gonna talk to you about two tools that are gonna kickstart your AWS adventure with generative AI. Today, let's look at Amazon Q Developer and Amazon Bedrock. I'm gonna use an analogy here. Imagine you're building an electronics project, an LED panel or something. In this scenario, Amazon Bedrock is like the essential components of your projects. The chips, the transistors, the capacitor, whatever, right? The other elements that give your project some life. It is a building block that provides your project the well-needed functionality, well, it needs. So, what is Bedrock? Bedrock provides access to high-performance foundation models from a bunch of leading AI companies. The best part, you have access to these models via a single API, making an integration such a breeze. The simplest way you can use Amazon Bedrock is starting with any of its foundation models. With Bedrock, you can easily integrate an LLM like Claude or Titan or whatever into your application to use it without even having to worry about any sort of infrastructure. See here, I'm using Python with the AWS SDK to call Claude 3.5 Sonnet on Amazon Bedrock. What I need to do is here create this SDK client with Bedrock time, then I define a model, say model ID Sonnet 3.5. Finally, I create a message for the model. Lastly, I send that message and some additional configuration parameters over to Claude 3.5 using the Converse API. And just like that, look at that, we have an answer to our question. And you can do so much more with Amazon Bedrock, from fine-tuning to agents to tools to retrieval, augment, and generation. On the other hand, Amazon Q Developer is like your trusty soldering iron. It is the tool that helps you bring all of these components together. It helps you build that project faster, better, and well, more reliable. Yes, of course, you can probably just tape the chip to the board, but soldering it in is a little bit better. So how does Amazon Q Developer help me in all this? Well, it is my little coding assistant helping me code faster, troubleshoot problems, scan for security issues, and so much more. And the best part is it is residing in the wonderful place that is called your IDE. So let's check out some VS Code. Well, let's just go ahead and try this. What I have here is an empty Python file. Nothing here, right? Let's go ahead and figure out how to send this picture over to Amazon Bedrock to be captioned. I'm going to explain my wish to Amazon Q using this prompt, and let's see what happens. Would you look at that? Some amazing code. Let me just do a couple of fixes here. Just change the image name, image extension. Okay, I need to go ahead and install Bodo 3, the SDK, run it, and look at that, the caption. Oh, my little tabby cat called Ružica. Wonderful. So if Amazon Bedrock provides the brains to your AI project by giving you foundational models and their capabilities, Amazon Q Developer gives you the tools to effortlessly apply these capabilities by helping you write code that's going to connect them all together. Now, make sure to learn how to use these tools because, hey, you don't want to select the wrong chip or burn yourself. And for that, I actually left you a bunch of videos in the description. And if you enjoy these kinds of videos and would love to see more, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. I just really want to hear what is the thing you've built with some generative AI in the last, year or so. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.